Before the opening bell, U.S. stocks, they closed lower on Thursday, pressured by shares in real estate, household and personal products, as well as consumer durables and apparel sectors. Meanwhile, U.S. President Donald Trump mentioning that China is not stepping up in trade negotiations, while the Wall Street Journal reported China's chief trade negotiator, Liu He, inviting his U.S. counterparts for even more talks. The U.S. Labor Department reporting initial jobless claims amounting to 227,000 for the week ended November 16th, and existing home sales rising to an annualized rate of 5.46 million units in October. This all as 60% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged yesterday. Meanwhile, after the markets closed, Nordstrom releasing third quarter EPS of 81 cents, exceeding 63-cent estimate, up from 67 cents a year ago, on net sales of $3.59 billion. Gap posting third quarter adjusted EPS of 53 cents, above the 50 cents consensus, in line with expectations, while Intuit announcing first quarter adjusted EPS of 41 cents, beating the 25-cent estimate, up from 29 cents a year ago, on net revenue of $1.17 billion. Now, in terms of expectations today, we first take a look at J.M. Smucker, and on the economic dock at 9:45 in the morning, we have November market manufacturing PMI, as well as market services PMI and composite PMI as well. At the same time in the morning, we have consumer sentiment due out for the University of Michigan. That's expected at 95.7. While over in the markets, we have the S&P 500. That's currently turning up. The NASDAQ turning up as well. And the Dow Jones, that is currently turning up and in focus, as technically the relative strength index is above its neutrality area at 50. Long positions above 27,760 are favored, with targets at 27,870 and 27,930 in extension.